Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Ian is weird or a weirdo. I'm actually not sure where I'm going to post this. I might cross post this. Weird. So I have done some thinking, and it is been clear, but it's becoming more and more clear as time goes on that the um, the crochet along that I had for my Patreon is not really doing what I had hoped it would do. What I had hoped it would do would be to bring people to my Patreon page so that they could become patrons or whatever. I just always feel weird saying that. I don't know why. But anywho, um, so um, the hope was to bring people to my Patreon. On my Patreon, we were gonna do a lot of things together and really shape what not only my crochet is, but kind of just shape what this channel is and what we do with it. I was gonna have a big giveaway. I was gonna have 100 ball giveaway, and um, nobody entered. No, like literally, all someone had to do was pay $5, and and create one thing, and they would have won 100 balls of yarn, like $5 for 100 balls of yarn. Like that's ridiculous. But like, it got to that point, and it as you know we're nearing like the halfway mark. It just kind of made me feel like maybe I was kind of pushing in the wrong direction. So so the crochet along is done. Um, you can still, I have released all the patterns that I was gonna do. I might do a video where I talk through like why I picked the patterns, and how show some of them and how easy they are and whatnot. But the crochet along is no more. I still think that I'm going to, use the Patreon and hope that some people will kind of eventually trickle in. I know money's tight for a lot of people, so like, don't if you can't, afford Patreon, that's fine. It's cool. I understand. I can't afford anyone else's Patreon, so I'd be a hypocrite to be like, you need to, be on Patreon to be my friend or whatever. But like, it would mean a lot to me if you wanted to, um, kind of build this collaborative environment where like like my big thing is like making patterns together, but I also think that like you know I want to, my passion for crochet often is creating a lot of things that not a lot of people make. Um, and I think there has to be some intersection between that and some very traditional projects that a lot of people like to make. Or like maybe you yourself are an eclectic maker of things, or we can help each other with like color theory and like making sure colors look good together. Like I really just want like a family of things. And I think that the free version of my Patreon is definitely um, my the free version is definitely Army of Weirdos on Facebook. So if you're not in that group, it's a free group. It's on Facebook, and it's the one with the green pillow that says "fuck." Uh, no surprise there. Um, and we have a good time. I love to share, like, whenever I find like a cool crochet hack, I love to share, and people share all their stuff in there as well. It's really cool, and I think we have a really good dialogue there. Although we can also pick that up too if we wanted to. Um, but the Patreon focus to is more to create like this unique income stream, and because if, let's say, we collaboratively write a pattern, we can, if we did 50-50 work, we do 50-50 or like whatever. And like, so like when we sell the pattern, then we can distribute income. Also, it's to kind of push crochet in like a fun new direction, because like there are so many amazing crochet artists and fiber artists, just period, who do different things, push boundaries. You can watch, like, I probably subscribe to, you know, 30 or 40 crochet and yarn related channels, and like each one of them is doing something different. So like I think that if like we kind of like combine forces and work together, I think that we could like make something like very special. So I that's just me. That's just my vision for Patreon. The reason why I won't do it on Army of Weirdos is because I want some level of exclusivity um, when it comes to making these things. Um, you know, contributing enough to like earn things. And Also, I want to do like private things. Like I wanted to do the giveaway, the yarn giveaway, because I, I haven't done one in a really long time. They're kind of expensive to fund and to send and all that stuff. So I wanted to have like at least a little income from the Patreon uh, subscription fee to kind of soften the blow of buying all this yarn. And I thought, it would be easier that way, but, then, like, no one did it, just no one did it. So this whole video, I guess, is me kind of hyping up what I want my Patreon to be, and we'll see if, people join or not. But like I said, please don't feel bad if you can't. I understand. Everyone's got their own thing going on. I'm still gonna have my Patreon. I will link it in the description below. And I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers on my Ian is a weirdo. Why can't I say my name? Ian is a weirdo page. So that's the one with the green and black skull. And I have not been able to move the needle. I don't know how to. We try and like we'll gain a follower or we'll lose a follower. It's like whatever. We're never gonna get there. But if I get to 1,000, two things are gonna happen. One, I am gonna start memberships. I think with memberships, I can make them a little cheaper than Patreon, and we can just move everything over. But I also don't really know anything about memberships, like, and what you can do, so I don't really know. I know you can do like member exclusive, whatever, but like videos, but like who cares? Like, if you're one of the 2 people watching any video I do, you're already watching exclusive content, so I don't know what more you want. So I don't. I mean, I can do that, but I might try it, but I don't know what I'll do. The second thing is that I will have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and I'm giving away a set of furls. Not furls. Oh, so sorry. I'm so sorry. No, I'm not giving away furls. Go away. Um, I am giving away a set of Clover Amour hooks. They are among my favorite hooks for sure. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with them. You also know that the pack tends to be quite expensive. I plan to do a giveaway of those hooks when I reach 1,000. So if you want to share me to people who like weird, creepy, spooky, Halloweeny, trans, LGBTQ plus, uh, dog content, cat content, uh, weird crochet things. I don't know, fucking whatever. If you want to share me around, that's cool. I'm okay with that. Um, you know, like every YouTuber is. So yes, um, that is a lot of information that came to you. Let me summarize real quick. The Cal is canceled. Patreon is not canceled. Please join Patreon if you can. When I get to 1,000, I'm able to do memberships. I am gonna give them a try, but I don't know if I will. And once I reach 1,000, I will be doing a giveaway of a set of Clover Amour hooks, crochet hooks. If you can't afford memberships or Patreon, again, please don't feel bad. I get it. So, thank you for hanging out with me. And if you want to check out the projects in the Cal and just see see if there's any fun spooky things to try, then feel free. I had a great time working on things. I just getting pneumonia really like pushed me back, and then I don't think I ever like caught up again. So it happens. But I love you all, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.